How to work with spaghetti trees. Last week I had a question came in from Tom Bradshaw. How to deal with a wind-blown spaghetti of fallen trees. There can be a lot of things to consider, but the first should be a good planning process. Check for hazards. Power lines, fences, terrain, weather, root balls, vines. Power lines and structures are best left to professionals. Trees and limbs conduct electricity. Supported limbs can be unstable. Look for potential widowmakers and falling hazards. Walk the area. Look for root balls, spring poles. Wind-thrown root balls can stand back up. Roots tend to go back to their original position. Loaded spring pole sideways. You don't cut the pressure off of the tree first. That one's coming in my direction here very quickly. Got to get the overhead hazard down first. If trees have been felled, the best place to begin is the stump and work towards the top. If they're wind-thrown, the best place to start is on the butt end and work towards the top. Working from the butt end removes weight that produces pressures. Gives you a way out if movements happen. Got these piles set up for them to cut on the dots. And every one of these classes is different because every situation's different. Consider the point you select to cut. Will it move? Could it move side to side, up or down, or back or forward? Consider your footing. Look 45 left, 45 degrees right. Select the cut with little expected movement, working toward the top of the tree or limb end. Always expect and anticipate movement. Look at side to side potential, up and down, and back and forward. Then pick out a technique or a cut that will help to control that movement. Cross points can be a great choice for a cutting spot, but you still have to look for up and down, side to side, and back and forward pressures. Working from the butt to the top, back and forth across the piles, is an efficient way and safer way to work these spaghetti trees. Rules to consider. One person on the tree with a saw until things are stabilized. Work from the butt to the top of the tree or limb. Don't pass any limbs without taking them off. Notches and hinges, offset cuts, mismatch, break cuts, straight cuts, wedge use can be used in this type of spaghetti tree situation. These planned cuts can all be utilized to maintain control and safety. Watch and plan every movement, checking the material to cut for stability at all times. Make sure your footing is clear and stable before you cut. Plan every cut and every move. Make use of smaller trees, blocking to protect you from side movements. Every cut must be pre-planned to reduce risk and injury. If unsure, don't do it. Thanks for watching. And please subscribe and share with your friends. And don't forget the thumbs up. Have to be cautious. Small trees help to block movements, but you may have to make sure you're in the proper position. Keep powerhead weight at or below shoulder level, and don't turn the bar towards any body parts. Good sawing.